So to give this tenon a bit more holding power, I've made it a haunched tenon. When I cut the actual tenon, you'll see, it'll make sense. So for this guy, I'll cut it all the way through and slot in the new tenon. So let's go on to that. So time to rough cut the blank for the tenons. Do this on the bandsaw. Now trim it to thickness so I don't have to plane off so much. Let's get this piece planed to size. Okay, a bit more adjustment, but I think we're there. Okay, to cut out the haunch for the replacement tenon. Okay, clean it up and let's do a test fit. Looks like a reasonably good fit, so I'll now trim this off to the appropriate length and use the remainder to make the tenon for the other piece. So this one's a pretty good fit too. I'll just rough cut it to size now. So these guys have been dry fitted now, ready for gluing and then fitting into the mortise. With the glue dry, I can start clearing out these mortises. Okay, let's remove some of this old tenon. Okay, let's do the other side. So now that these are being cleared, it's a matter of slowly creeping up on this so that it's a nice snug fit. Okay, we're getting there. Still a little bit tight. Okay, we have a good fit now. As mentioned earlier, these joints are quite loose, so I'm going to take out all this caning and inspect these joints. Oh well, that one broke. Looks like the caning goes through the tenon, which is why it's still holding. Okay, one. This is just a dowel, that'll be easy to replace. There's the other dowel. The tenon looks okay. Let's take apart this one. This tenon's also okay. The mortises look pretty clean. There's not much meat to them though, so they're okay. The tenons are good. I just need to replace these dowels. Okay, let's drill out these dowels carefully. So there was a little bit of rotten wood and it's blown a bit out. Alright, I'll cut out some dowels and put these together. The dowels have been fitted and glued in with epoxy. The mortise and tenons also glued in. That leaves me to remove the old finish, give this whole piece a bit of a clean and a sand. But I'll save that for the next video in the series. So that's it for now. See you next time.